Okay, in this video I'm just going to do an example where this time we're using gas volumes in order to make stoichiometric conversions. So in this case it says that you have this balanced chemical equation, how many liters of CH4 are required to react with 17.5 liters of oxygen. Okay, so really what I'm dealing with is a reactant-to-reactant product, and I'm asked to find this CH4, and I'm given the oxygen, the amount of oxygen that I have. So I don't really have to concern myself with either of these. So if I look at my cheat sheet, I'm going to be starting with volume here for the amount of the given amount, and I'll be going to volumes of the asked amount. So the conversion factor that I'm going to use in this case is going to be 22.4 liters. So I just start by writing what I have. I have 17.5 liters of oxygen, and it says that the gas is at STP, so I know that in that instance that 1 mole of oxygen is equivalent to 22.4 liters of oxygen. So that gives me this first step going from from liters of a substance, or volume of a substance, to moles of the substance that I'm given, so that I can use the balanced chemical equation to go from moles to moles. So I will now have my molar ratio here. I'm trying to find moles of CH4, so that's going to be on top. There's 1 mole of CH4, because there's a coefficient of 1 here, over for every 2 moles of oxygen that react. Then my last step, so I've got my liters canceling, my moles canceling. My last step is going to go to liters of CH4. So again, I'm going to use the same conversion factor here, that 22.4 liters is a mole at STP, so that I can go from moles of that substance to the volume of that substance. So 1 mole is 1 mole of CH4 is 22.4 liters of CH4. Okay, and so moles will cancel. Now, if you'll notice, I've got 22.4 on the bottom and 22.4 on the top, so those will actually end up canceling out as well, but let me just punch it in, including them. So 17.5 divided by 22.4 divided by 2, and then multiplied by 22.4, and I get 8.75. So you can cancel those out if you want, or you can punch them in. They can be canceled only when we have a liter-to-liter problem. If you have a gram-to-liter problem, or a liter-to-molecules problem, or something like that, then they can't be canceled. So I need 8.75 liters of CH4. Okay? So just another way of doing it, using volume as the amount of substance rather than grams.